Hi dear children, welcome to all of you. All are safe now? Yes. Okay. Stay safe. Okay children. Then we already completed our fourth chapter, right? Yes. Then everything is over now. Exercise, question answer, everything, right? Yes. So today we are going to start a new lesson. What is the chapter name? Yes, say. What is the chapter name? Yes. आज पहली बार. आज पहली बार. आज पहली बार. कवि कौन है? से सर्वेश्वर दयाल सक्सेना. कौन है? कवि कौन है? सर्वेश्वर दयाल सक्सेना. कवि कौन है? सर्वेश्वर दयाल सक्सेना. Okay. Then in this poem, the poet is telling what? Poet is giving the motivation to us. Okay. Poet is telling motivation. Okay. Then कवि सर्वदयाल सक्सेना द्वारा रचित एक अत्यंत प्रेरणात्मक कविता है. ओके. देन इस कविता के माध्यम से कवि यह संदेश देना चाहता है कि देन क्या संदेश देना? अपने दुखों, कष्टों और इसके साथ घबराना नहीं चाहिए. ओके. देन अपने पद में विचलित नहीं होना चाहिए. धैर्य के साथ आगे बढ़ाना चाहिए. ओके. देन क्या कहते हैं इस कविता में? कवि कहता है, कवि हमारे सामने कहते हैं कि अपने कर्तव्य के बारे में और अपने कष्टों और दुखों से पद में हम विचलित नहीं होना चाहिए, है ना चिल्ड्रन? देन इसका मतलब क्या है चिल्ड्रन? द पोएट इज मोटिवेटेड अस. Then we never go back from our way. Then many problems are there in our way, but we never go back. Okay. Then this moral is giving the poet through this chapter. Okay. Children, listen. Ready now? Listen. आज पहली बार दकी शीतल हवा ने शीश मेरा उड़ाकर चुपचाप अपनी गोद में रखा और जलते हुए मस्तक पर कांपता सा हाथ रखकर कहा. क्या कहा? आज पहली बार दकी शीतल हवा. देन टुडे. आज पहली बार मीन्स व्हाट? टुडे. once again. Okay, once again. Okay, today once again दकी शीतल हवा ने. Then touch a cool wind. हवा means wind. दकी means what? Touch. दखना means touch. दखना to touch. Okay. शीतल, you know, शीतल means cool. Okay. हवा means wind. No? शीश means what? शीश means head. Means head. Okay. Then mastag means what? Forehead. Mastag means forehead. Then what happens? Listen. आज पहली बार दगी शीतल हवा ने. Today came a cool wind and शीश मेरा उड़ाकर up my head and चुपचाप अपनी गोद में लगा. Without telling anything, that wind came and sit on my lap. Okay, गोद means lap. ओके देन और जलते हुए मस्तक पर कांता सा हाथ रखकर कहा एंड एक्चुअली माई forehead has been hot and with the shivering hand that wind touched my forehead and said to me, what said? सुनो मैं भी पराजित हूँ, सुनो मैं भी बहुत भड़की हूँ, सुनो मेरा भी नहीं कोई, सुनो मैं भी कहीं अटकी हूँ. Then what said? Then सुनो मैं भी पराजित हूँ. I am also a defeated a person. Okay. सुनो मैं भी बहुत भड़की हूँ. Listen. I am also a wounded person. सुनो मेरे भी कोई नहीं कोई. Listen. To me also no one. Okay, then सुनो मैं भी कहीं अटकी हूँ. Then listen, I am also not taking rest or I am not taking restraint. Okay, अटकी means restraint. Okay, restrained means what? रुकी हुई. One day a cold wind came and sit on his lap and said to him, what said to him? Then actually her forehead has been hot, then just slowly touching his forehead and said to him, you listen me, I am also a defeated person and I am also बहुत wandering person and I have also no one with me and then also I am not taking any rest. Okay, then actually this is the poet is giving a motivation to us. Okay, then understood in a small poem, nothing is not there. Okay, then पर न जाने क्यों पराजय ने मुझे शीतल किया और हर भड़काव ने गदी दी नहीं कोई था. पर न जाने क्यों, but you know, you understand what जानना means understand or know. You पर न जाने क्यों, but why don't you understand? पराजय ने मुझे शीतल किया, पराजय ने मुझे शीतल किया. Then defeat or failness will be cool us. Okay, then actually every person needed a defeated. Okay, or defeat or fail. Then only he or she will get improvement or progress. Okay, then each and every fail then become to us a very bold person. Okay, then you don't afraid to seeing a fail. Okay, actually the fail become to us a bold person. Okay, who telling the wind telling. Then और हर भड़काव ने गदी दी नहीं कोई दा. Then हर भड़काव गदी means progress नहीं कोई दा. Without the fail, then no one get a progress. You just think about a famous person. Everybody has got a defeat. No? Everybody actually failed his first attempt. No? After that, they become a familiar persons. No? Then, if any person want to get a progress, should be there needed a fail. Okay, who telling the wind is telling to us. किसी से सब हो गए मेरे, मैं स्वयं क्यों बांटती ही फिरी, किसी ने मुझको नहीं गदी दी. Then what? इसी से सब हो गए मेरे. Then everybody understand me. Everybody know me. What? Then मैं स्वयं को बांटती की फिरी, किसी ने मुझको नहीं गदी दी. I never tying my sadness with me. then I never taking rest seeing that sadness. Okay, then if you want to get a progress, you should overcome each and every problems, then only you can go ahead. Otherwise you can't get any progress, you can't go ahead. Then you can sit there itself with your own problems. Who's telling? The wind is telling. If you want to get any progress in your life, then many fails are there, then but you should be overcome that and all problems, and you should go ahead. Okay, then you don't tie with your problems, and you don't take rest. Okay, so telling the wind is telling. ओके, लगा मुझको उड़ाकर कोई घड़ा कर गया, और मेरे दर्द को मुझसे बड़ा कर गया आज पहली बार. लगा मुझको उड़ाकर, देन wake up me, then कोई घड़ा कर दिया, somebody is standing there and wake up me, and और मेरे दर्द को मुझसे बड़ा कर गया, my all pains removed from me, and आज पहले बड़ा कर गया. It done a wonderful job. Then what is the wonderful job? Then my all दुख और दर्द मुझसे कर दी गया. Then my all pain and sadness take from me, and then आज पहली बार, once again. Okay. Then what the poet telling? Nothing is not there, children. Listen. Then एक दिन एक बहुत शीतल हवा प्रवेश किया. कवि को निराशा देखकर हवा कवि को प्रेरणा देता है. यह प्रेरणा मानकर और यह प्रेरणा देखकर कवि को मन में बहुत जोश आता है. उस जोश के लिए हवा बड़ा कर दिया. यह प्रेरणा कवि हमको भी देना चाहता है. ओके, देन one day one cool wind came, and then just grow up his head, and has been hot his forehead, and very slowly touching his forehead, and the wind said, hey, why are you sitting worry, and you should avoid your own pains and dard, and you should keep your way. Then many problems are there in our way, but we should overcome that all problems, and we should make our way, and we should go ahead on our way. Okay, and we should make our progress. Okay, children, this is a very simple poem. Small content, and the meanings also very simple meanings. So I think all of you understood this poem, and if you have any doubt, ask to me. So I am going to wind up this session. Okay, children, have a nice day.